At the rental shop, I just got the lessons on how to basically operate the thing, and the only thing to do it is to get up to my place and start running this thing. The drive here was both terrifying and exhilarating at the same time. Yeah, it's going to take a little while getting used to running the loader, so time to destroy some bushes. Let's see if I can get the hang of this. I've taken way too much dirt off. No. Back up. I just think I just flattened it. I'll get the hang of it. Doing a pretty good job of flattening it. There we go. I never did like that bush. Cool. Back over that massive hump of dirt I just left. Woohoo! That bush is gone. Oh goody, I barely scraped it off. And if I can remember how to do that for the whole driveway, that'd be nice. I'll take out bush number 2. that one was a little fun to pull out. Look at that taproot on there. None of the other stumps really had that. Of course, that's one of the bigger trees. Okay, that's pitched in there. Extend a hoe. This one's going to be a problem getting off. There we go. I got one more stump here. I'll hang up and get back and get at that one. These two hunks of stump from the same tree ripped that sucker right in half. Hey, I missed that stump. I'm going to have to back up and get that one. Alright. I'll fire it back up and back up to this one. And my neighbor came. He's quite experienced with a backhoe, so he's leveling this out for me. I was a little scared of little stump holes, so... And he said, it won't tip over, but figured let someone experienced do it. That's how good of a job the neighbor did in smoothing out all those stump holes. And this is where I'm going to put the 24 by 40 garage. All he did was just push those trees right out of the ground, so that's a project in itself. Get these trees cleaned up. So roughly got about a 30 by 45 to 48 foot cleared. So you have a little room to work on all sides. If anything, just need to cut this row of trees out to give more room when you actually go to dig this out. No need to really fine grade this, because do that when you go to do the slab. So no need for that, but got the heavy work of it done. The driveway is really nice and smooth now, and when I show you that, it's amazing how good the help is. So yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Everything's shaping up. Got maybe, not sure, but maybe I can salvage some of this for the sawmill, but it depends on the taper and straighten that. That's too tapered. Get some new chipper knives and get hacking this up. Yeah, chipper knives for the brush. I might just rent to have some help pull all the brush to one side, pile it up, clear all the brush out of here, and then go rent the big chipper and get it done in a hurry. My little chipper will literally take me probably a couple of days to clean all this up. Otherwise, we'll probably get it done in just a few hours, so we'll see. Until next time, folks.